Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video we'll be talking about how to fix V380 Pro camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. So if your V380 Pro camera won't connect to your Wi-Fi network, here are a few things you can try. Step-by-step fixes. Number 1. Check Wi-Fi frequency. The V380 Pro camera only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. It won't work on 5 GHz. Make sure your phone is also connected to 2.4 GHz when setting it up. Number 2. Place the camera near router. During setup, keep the camera close to your router for a strong signal. You can move it later after it's connected. Number 3. Reset the camera. Hold the reset button, usually a pinhole, for about 10 seconds until the camera makes a sound or the indicator light flashes. This clears old settings and gets it ready for setup again. Number 4. Use the V380 Pro app properly. Open the V380 Pro app, tap Add Device, choose Wi-Fi Smart Camera, enter your Wi-Fi password, let the camera scan the QR code on your phone screen. Number 5. Double check your Wi-Fi name and password. Make sure there are no spaces or special characters in your Wi-Fi name or password. Some cameras have trouble reading them. Number 6. Update the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the V380 Pro app from the App Store or Google Play. I hope these steps will be able to fix this problem for you.